She kinda cute, she cute, but she slays with lashes.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So that's 10, 10, 12, 12 and a half, and a 14 at the end.
As the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
These lashes are perfect. I love them so much. Just don't get them wet and they will stay on forever. Like, don't even cry. But yeah, I love how natural they look, and I feel like there's nothing on my eyes. I do not like putting lashes on and it feels like there's something on my eyes. I just don't like it, I don't know. But yeah, bye guys, love you, until next time.